Hi.
Are you clogged the toilet?
Can I have one, bro?
No, I was kind of poopy a
Can I
lot.
have one, bro?
Skill issue.
Bro,
Right,
shut up!
Excuse me. Brother, ugh.
But there's free.
What do you mean,
There's,
brother?
there's a free one right there. Bro.
Oh, look, there's nothing on there. There's nothing. Yeah, if you want to deep clean it, you are gonna have to go in.
I have to go in. Fake bees!
No.
No, poopy monsters! Poopy monsters!
Hey, fake bees!
Poopy monsters! Where are
dead
the other
body.
poopy monsters?
I came back.
Poopy
for
monsters,
the burrito.
Poopy monsters! What the hell?